Obi a produce 3 doctorates Hamagana. Nema me compare ne ma me we let 16 years because me oba me and me gina he bat bi wo me ho. Oh yeah. Sabi me ko studio me fa me ho pa.
No fa ho pa.
Ba won sa me fa me
na so dia to so.
Yeah. Me ni abrentin no na dressing na ni brentin na me dey by.
I say.
Na share me. But say wo pesa wo compare abrewa. Sana me fa no. Me ma me anyin say a prof do.
Okay.
Now person compare me nim how old she is. Now person compare me no ba be say wa wo 3. Am I a doctor to Facebook eh? What are you talking about? Want to know him?
Eugene Ajuma. Yeah, Eugene Ajuma, and I'm sure you will slide the pictures here. Yeah, okay, Marita Valentina, yeah.
Nata di shame. Nimpa one and nasa. Does it build road? Does it build schools?
No.
Am I a potable water?
Debbie.
Does it clean the filth in Accra?
Me pacho Debbie.
It's no campaign na ye no. Aye policies and performance and I say personality. Wo ye bia no bo bia odijina ho and ye be adwuma no and I say ne wu betumi aye and ye ka ho asem. Eno eden asese anti say wo mount podium sese a ne aka say convince me a floating voter.
Yeah.
And I say convince me a first time voter.
Yeah.
I feel na me 18 years I be register. Why should I vote for your party? Or why should I vote for Nanado and Dr. Baumia as against John Mahama and Professor?
Yeah.
Why should I choose you over her? Then you can't tell me say oh her mama no.
We do spirituality.
All right, 25 minutes past 9. Yeah, activate the phone lines for our ladies. We are ready to support now. Chair Drew and then the man the course no na. Yentie free man hokakra. Yeah, activate the phone lines for a few minutes now. Yentie free man hokakra. You remember Aduma Junior Abana. We wrap up with other conversation. What a pronounce. So patrol your banner uti en komo ina. Opesa will join in the crusade. Just give us a call. Number is 0302 208090 0302 208090. That is the pressure. If free a ma. One more judge Musa, it's about time we save women from verbal abuse. The likes of Wuntumumuni Adeno, Eze Omo Pacho. Na fe no saya kayaka dia ye de ma titrupa ne atania ye di si wo mo so akeke wotanhunu akwa ne edi watem twa wadapa no sa ne ma ni nyina no ese ebredu se ye twa so ntinei ana emayi na mo maboko jan a wo mo kom sa no na ya ma say let me pick a few of the calls eba on the lines na fe ye ne wo mo enya this engagement no yemfa we good morning.
Good morning.
Me ba cho free here for saying
me pa cho me free la me de adon.
Adon pa cho ma minti o e.
Yo, don. Me pa cho chairman wuntumi no. Senior kasa no wan kasa ye kwa na aye me yan kasa esante abra ye de ma me ne pictures e be to Charlie so no me ho ye no me pray ye ka say ma me ni obi a enye obi a tese Odi Ghana sika eba be siesie no ho. Oba be to Brazilian hair ne nyoma ne lashes ne nyoma. Enyo bia no pe kenchen dressing. Obe hwehwe no ho kenchen wonwan bi. Itu maame no odi botae bi sineni so ya desia botae. Eno odi sineni so. Enti nya papa ne kasa ye no kasa fi ne num se ye hwe maame ni tiri ho sei ni sei no. Opese maame no nye ni tiri ho de en. Ena papa no so ade ba ko a menhwehwe se journalist ko be ye ne se yemfa ne yire ene ne ma ene ne mame o mo pictures emba tuja na yenye comparison na yenhwe se mame ene ne yire ne ma no ene ne ma ono ankasa ne mame owo no na yenhwe se wana na no ho se se wana se ya appointi obi a se wo fe de enka o nyansa eni nimdie no enu na ehu hia sabi Ghana empenifo ni bi politicians ni bi wo ho no mo sise court no kwa but wo mental problem sabi kakra ebi mu bebre enu mu wi inti na tank mo nkata yie inti papa no yesra no pa o beto ma me ne cho esanse so ye ne yiri a on kata nti ano sabi oda oba yam ena oba wo no oba na egugu ni be ma kisio saa menne enyi ena ono so se wawo And she also need back pictures in brand. And you comparison or maybe, and then the year or done it. Then must say a cut food.
Mamenda was mommy. Right, young pick our ladies on the lines 0302208090. Yes, good morning.
Good morning, Dadon.
Yeah, Pacho Hine.
Maybe Nyoba. Now, so
double change. You know the way I run my radio. Say, yes, a man and casa. And today, I am a Bema also be friend. Open we are baby country. Oh, friend of more baby in Casa. All right, young pick our ladies. And Pamcho Mammy Mano because I am Marco. And I just want to hear from the ladies. Almost so an input into this conversation. Nafi, Emano and Casa Emma Yenti. Number near 0302208090. 0302208090. Na say me money free radio ni mu out mu say common ya na ano hye and someone mo kana no odin pa say ni nyina ne de ban from mu a anka bejima so do we have a caller waiting on the line you betumi ne no akasa na fe yakọ yanimu a 29 minutes past 9 and then Monday morning. Mondays are busy days and it's one of such days and emanu atwaye wa ha omode omunsem and yes good morning
dada
me pa chawani nyame adombokom
yo Chema won't me no jama on ma petesi.
Minim dia mommy.
Oh sorry, onu na bi wuru nenim no kaka basa no. Mo no kaka basa no sana ni subanti sana ni bi ati. Nti ma imomo ayiko mi mama nyina wo didu ha ayiko.
Amumra ne enkwatwe to.
Yabako dodo. Mi si e friend mama Emilia. Yabako dodo.
Ma Emilia, yebeda wasepa yankoso yentiem free e man ho anope. Yes, good morning.
Niso amano.
Me bacho ma Emilia me da say can we pick other women? Yes, good morning.
Yeah, morning dada.
Me bacho wine.
I'm bacho me bisini.
Me bacho ma mintie we.
Me bacho boys na mo bono. Anya dada ayi. Come on to me boys.
Hey.
Anya bobi show bi oye. Obi na betina so no di use na term e ko be from head to toe. It's just that na modation
which of the voices now what because I'm surprised that your comments voice na me boy here.
Enya yi boy.
Enya video na me boy yo. Enya audio pacho pi. Me say pacho na bucha mami mo nya bucha pacho mami nya bucha. Dia me boy ya no it's a video.
Pacho bobi show so. Bobi show no Bobi na bisaro. Debbie, you are lost.
Debbie, oh, I don't know what kasa mommy, o kasa ya two futra. I'm saying who na waira. Nyabuche. Mami play the voice one more time. Na what the benefit of a year Facebook oh there ko Facebook so na ko share a year video no because I'm surprised at your input. And to say what men can just correct yourself Nessa Brebio because this is an audio and video kutaya ba video no lie into no sha you see the video for yourself now face no conversation now so no what into meaning why what twist and some no and anope yanko good morning me ba chawani yeah ma'am
Pacho me din Maryland yeah daddy me pa chawo dear you can say your friend is simple she am on to me okay kano me ye pese ye Ghana for my ye catch no mu say omu mema na mu di post mu di manu mu mamu atoje fa tu be di golf na ya mu ye no mu na oba on ye pons nti omo yiri na mu ye omu pons na mu nim ti se kakai no enye bia na e mame no nti mo hwe ni hu ye mame no oye natural o mbo pons nti na o hu ni se o ni yiri anasa ni mame hu ye se sa mame no ye si be ma no mu pons no abrusu se no ye manu ye wa badaye nti se e manu na ye beba nti e manu o mbo pons nti na o tema untu mi onya na odidi na tem no won ka kire ni se na ni first and last enyi sa se mi Maryland ya mi du ni honu ma wan bu mi amebo no bye bye.
Right, Maryland, Medase, Anope, yes, Yanko, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
But your hand, man, is so crying.
Mpacho, I'm from Mr.
Mbacho Mamintio.
Mpacho, dear, we can, Untunitayan. Bishop said the Muhammad now or pointing crampon. Mamino or qualification. Ex-President Rawlings, Mamino qualification, same. Ex-President Omunina, just Mamina, or Chomunina. Now, want to know Jira. Sanka Bedlaka, any money of that channel. You're funny, Jira, young one who is finished through embassy. It's a great question. Berman and I, Achia. Na hu nyina kukuru kuwa na mama ni fa onu ni mama ni jira hono oni na busiafo ye nwa ni ta na na se afo na ye hata na se awu ni ye yi mo mpa de Ghana de politics na ba no ti aye de ti gento bi asala nso kunwa no
very sad politics no aye time right you better wrap up with a man o so mu gina so akosi fiada se Chairman, ni baba be patch on na fe no patch on say.
Last one.
Ya no. Matia mami. Machin.
Hello, Dedon, good morning.
Good morning, mommy.
Me patch on me tia akra from my tia fo nyina.
Obi ajo so.
Adia chairman ye no. Wan kase ye kra. Esan say wo hwe obema Nasa wusu wie Prempas College. Nasa wuntimi kabrofo. Nasa wunyonko eba wa onyonko bema wa ware ne ba. Nasa wa wo emma miensa titi wo ana ama wo akwanya degree to say nasa wuntimi ene wo en challenge brofo emmom. Nasa wuntimi tina u TV show so e kasa nkwasi asem say we nyina e de kire oba besia. Enyo oba na wo. Enyo ba na da wachi min blame no esan say ni mampani akada say wodi nyansa ni nyina atoba wumia tirim enti ni nyansa ni bi ni wono ma wodi de ma na beje tiefo no ama o maka ensempa akire emma edu ye EPP ni oba na so wuto be sorry aka a support de wuntimi kan ya na ne wuta oba no so no mi school kura won so call ye
me da say mommy na pamcho mama fa sem we ntu dwansan wo mo na eyo mo se eneyi wo how bet obi so na radio no say atenie wo sododo radio so ayehye radio no mu twa dapa ne ade when politicians set up radio stations no more radio stations any more TV stations e ka mo kokoso asema Yes, Susuna, you want the power of the microphone will meet them and match them boot for boot. And to more advise politicians now. Yes. One more radio stations, any TV stations. Now you almost say one more do one we don't have our own radio stations, but the microphone yes. We also give it to them equal measure. Yes. Radio for now. And you almost say radio no and they Eswa ye shay amanfo di atam e kankrofo tibom ni adenom. So if you want the radio to be diplomatic, we are up to that challenge and that game. Oh, yes. We can equally measure radio in that professional level. Say, yeah, my radio ne so aye good. But some of the radio no ekwa famwa. Ye now will sing together. And to obi antien ye. Many of our say you've been in the game for long. Radio by how long? And our Ghana, almost about 25 years. We started radio in Ghana here. Thank you. And it's a ne, wunebia, who capital yet you didn't kania. Don't think sir, wuna wouldn't be bia and to what the power to speak. We all have equal power to speak. It's up to listeners now. Mutia radio no be decide say yes. When are you good man? When are you pay? When you pay? And to me, and I don't want to blow my own horn, but I just look at some people and listen to them, and I begin to laugh. Say, share. So this is the radio you believe you are doing. Sa. And to no meshamwa, the end is one yirahono. One share and one shiase. Say also wijina wa. Share and one shiase. Na yenya juma no pepe no mining ya home faso. Because and the radio now, yet to educate, entertain, and inform no. I bear radio of attacks. Now we answer why now yeah. This same politicians started it. Yes. When politicians started setting up their own radio stations, sitting on their own networks, and started attacking people. Now we can hear the phone. It's Mumia Sunkwe Didier. na mo ye nyina ye mra from obi amra from no one is above the other man you wadwen say we are bigger than the other obi amra from na fe no ye nyina no you know ye nkwa ne boko but base ye pede na no oja obetumi ye di atem atwa da pa we can match you equal measure but eja ya na time dia so ye ma me atuyefo enti ne ba na ensem ni bi wa ya home na eja ye de nidie amampanyimfo onye saa ensem ni bia na politicians omo kan yesin se nchan
na nya bi no bi akakan
politicians no omo kan yesin se nchan
na politician
so now we na commute radio presenter no not in the network so na asif say onu mom ni e hoye dandao wonu de ne saso bi maada bema hunya bema nsi obi a say ye ka na wa ye wo ka e bia wo de ne do so sen me say ye dan wasi a mesuma si dan ni bia bia wo de ne so sen me dan so nyina ye da so what at all is in this life what at all is in this life people want to assume certain powers as if say wo mo de ye mo chan so
obi be wie kro be didi wa tame wo fatirmodinfo abefa wo dan kra tene
me nam kam chiro o wenti no yasrem a obi anko ne ku obi anko ni ku
na kwabena ya chencha na wote so na akasa
because chale ya trani amani bi ya trani amani bi
aje sani amani bi kwabena
ya so una do crusade na ni mentino finally na aduma we aduma mramu ma me
mi amma no mase
good
and Valentina Gargantua lady mo wo ho but on say social distance
me no ajo say it's not so another team baba it's not so another team baba
can say kwabena say adi kan aka ya semi ya ma chema want to me 1 week
and not 2 week
me say 1 week can only efi na no fiada no
ma chema want to me brofo wa ha
me patch your mesro
because kwabena asem we kra de obi a udidi a no mon kwan a ka wie ye kran ke ni wase ye be mo president ka so wa pachaw wo dana da sumia so a o so wa pachaw eti we nya dia wase wo ma yi kra ye ho mete ye ho se be pachaw adan so wo busia mu o wan pipi amanyokuo ni eti MPP amanyokuo no one mama de no mon kasa nchira krache no no one pachaw
no one friend krache
no and I
just ma wa ko school edu animo we
anti abranti
no pepe no odu yi
o mon kasa nchira wuntumi na ntesa nyame ya adomo afia da no o man tie di amani nyina ya mati akọ NPP
I say na gender minister Martin Valentina Martin gender minister Martin
nka obi a Martin nka yes lo
because the Martin nka no say o sanction councillor Lutro say wa koka ne nka back okay on nka
na say dia on tie so so ya betire no ata
yeah sure mo ba one petition no na fi ya so be response fantastic ma yenda e ma na say na twa yeah, I won't patch on you, mommy. What's I'm saying?
Yeah, my son back when I say
good.
I or by being to me, you so on my sperms. Apart from sperms, she alone knew how the show bansa energy.
I say.
And what did be anyone, Mamma was Sabi, Mother Romo.
Yeah,
make us say, or baby anyone and this Abema.
Mo,
yeah, but some cram so you.
Matam.
That's a me and your mamma crying saw me, moody me do say, and come in new and him.
Good.
Because young man, I can say, do baby. Say a shrow, say your tayo, say a day you do baby, and I say, young man cry, yes, shrow. Yeah, tree and wife, any animal man. When I saw your politics be a shadow, and I said, now politics, we me or baby Jam and him catch him and say, I said, my politics, we are promiscuous. Now, Miss say, no, on your promiscuous. Good. And I miss him, young woman, or man catch and so on mommy send me 1 year time. Or baby, I know who cry at time, a dinner chick. Maybe catch me brother says, oh, I now, oh, you're a crobian for Lona, as I was a one robber. I saw one robber, see her. O kwanto mu kra tete no na hwe se be ma bi si ni pa
hey emisa na etu akuma o
ka front a e wo koko
awo no
o kwa fo ba bi a wo na ni pie
baba so ne kon twa fe pa o asasante you ma ne kon twa ye pa Valentina
man sorry
wo de ba bi ewu ama o
Ghana man sorry
manie
remember no are ready to support us I'm sorry. I'm there to support us. Say you're sorry. Mama do na sabi. Omani da ho. Omanya kwasiafo. Omanya ansarefo.
Tibonko sofo.
Omanya mwabi. Amabe friend pem.
Matthias, yeah.
I'm be sorry, so ya mo.
Good.
No mo de yem be kwa achi.
I walk Kelly.
Yeah, no mo mpre.
Valentina Ofori.
So mo ha na ye koye.
Gagantua lady Ohenewa.
Ya no mo se kwa.
Na atwe oju Obaya Santua. Let us say man na this crusade no. Enam sa no. Obaya Santua.
We dia ma 1 week wo. Ana Friday ya.
Ye kotwi ato. Ewa MPP amanu ko.
Em se gaga le dia.
Oh yeah, ehwa
na so na tu ni de. Eto na akotwi. Abo. All right, yes, Aduma bibi aboko dem. Yes, uwa ha ne ma no e kasa menim dio wo kan na fe yenyempo
senior eba na obetwesan a. It will be one of the best political statements. Why ya? Emudu pa.
Oh, I see.
Yes, me catch you. We was unim. Ayana is be free abrofon ho. Also be a mistake house ma resign.
Yeah.
Nka we no obetima resign. Na nka ma ye ho se wa pagya nimu.
Yeah.
But udi kan etwa asem ne san a eno in language terms no ye papa say obe wadwe say bia the opeso ya na opeso ya. Onye very cautious and very careful because adwuma na oye no odi nipa na ye.
Yeah.
Sebi enye obia na anya de wanya no. See enye obia na anya de oye no. But so fi say unfi obia me fi say as I started by saying kwamna unum kasa ese nipa kasa so na nipa san okese. Kasa ya no fafa no anema na efi mu ba no. Enne man hu ye bobre your persona.
Yeah.
Nipa ye wonema mienu man wi nipa the spirit and then the physical being. Enti ebi o ha wo de wano kan de ye hu be say wo da so hu de ekoso. Enti me de mesre no because I know said there is something going going through his mind. So asemi kura me koye ye man be that you for some na me ye we kan me say kan me refi ko pam me. Kwasa wa na timi reading. Kwasa wa. Come on room. Sawa for. I say. My wife's name is Kwasa wa. Sawa for. Go and find out. Sawa for. Aminya nu get work say ba sa ko. And also starting through na ka say what that must say what that one say. One of them say your brother is calling you. Why are you doing the job? Na say yes me na come ameba. So that say Emma omo won fa so. Enye bi enti yakopon bo omo. Eni se nipa kasetia ni yonko nipa especially ma. E might me kasetia last me say na odi asempe kase ma bi ho ma no oya. Yes. Enya ne ye ka. Me nyakwa ma kire made art. Oba na kire me art. ART say air drawing. Oba na kire me geography. Me so to pre. Okuni nan tu e si form kwa ma e ma ni timi sheda hwe de to no keke.
Openyu kojo chire ni reader Mrs. Chire.
Baby me hu ni Masa. No, say
ma bagana ko na sequence for no.
No, don't go there. There is Slay Queen.
Chale?
There is Slay Queen. Yeah, when you know. Yeah, when you know. Shall me sing. Yeah, nya kwama ti say pempeni opoku alma ebia mado days in the 70s na marry
technician be no fox your friend if am so that so
efo only return what we know hey you know my sorry efo ile ni pa on me three jalen chair 1 hour nkoma kwa me shone sara we ba se tu krupa ni o si where's my husband no you see no let me depict it as it is my man can say it here o say me sorry akonya na me je say me ma sha arts na me say let people know say ya na yes me say ba ko bi kro o sifri trotro say me hwe na sa
na bi esuso a bofro to the traffic light mo dan so ma ho ba bi you do na musan say bofro time a person to
now utete mama kaba kumitro alaji konzara driver ho kofu and we say nadam be a driver who get be auto nso who no say nso ni na mato wa wari girl no straight mu ni ana na mu hu ni ma you don't say it mama ka che mama mo wi ase enjoyment comes once when you try wani mo no let me teach science
Kwamna teach science now.
Yes, the organs of the human body.
Good.
the man and money different here. The reproductive part.
Yeah.
The woman has what is called vagina, and then the man has what is called penis.
Yes, sir.
The penis enters vagina. It's called copulation.
Yes, sir.
Copulation means the act of intercoursing, up and down. Up and down. Yes, up. It is called copulation. 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 Yes. That is copulation. Yes, that is copulation. That is the biological word. Copulation. Yes, in all manner, in the terms of how you feel it, whether the speed should be fast or it can be slow. Some people, when they are in the copulation period, it takes time. It means you have to travel fast before you can hit there. You have to travel long. Some they want it very sharp.
Yeah.
Push. My task is giving you a blow. Some people always want slow. And what is important in copulation is what is termed as orgasm. Orgasm is when the woman's self is being felt.
I see.
Then you say, Jesus Christ. Too much for making me feel.
You want to know feeling?
Yes. Oh yeah. Yes.
No,
let me tell you the secret. No, he's our brother.
Yeah, I know. Now then,
send me a kind of and he's a nice guy.
Yeah.
No more fair.
Yeah, can.
Want me Pia until look at the scar or bet you manarium.
Yeah.
But the person can.
Bet you manarium.
Messi me alaji share no parliament. Me share ni mami. That's the first time we win. Me share know that this guy is so handsome. Na name is another for Konzada.
Yeah.
Until me catch them who say this guy is too smart.
Yeah.
But you see, so kasana nya. Chesai.
Yeah.
Me who me mayo.
Good.
Just an upper manager. I don't have beside him more.
I know beside him more. Yeah, can't do it. Open the diplomatic open the Ross. I know. Me say we don't make her. I'm kita mansia. When they how much charge you some to dwane. And no say millicent fire me. Me katenu. What I say? One more the and just say because you go patch okra na fe kra na man be pen more. Opachawa. Yeah. Ha! Opachawa. Yeah. Hey, to go come to my man be up no. Me say Opachawa. Well, what's your correct one be about line what kind was Opachawa to 10. Oh, I see. Opachawa. It will 10. Ah, would we listen to the strategists? Adoma Junior.
The motion to the motion, me passion, and I want to passion. And I come not Accra Junior ɔno nso ni passion ɔno yɛ fɛ bi truthfulness Bible say deɛ yɛ nie hunu ne deɛ yɛ so ateɛ ɛne yɛ di ho adanseɛ nti asɛm a meka nipa no ɔno no nya deɛ ɔbɛsɛ me wɔ party A party C yɛ fɛ bi fact deɛ wo ka ne yɛ no kora we nya ntɔkwa ɛyɛ abotre mu asɛm ne yɛ kan asanteman nso pa abotre Ghana fo nso pa abotre nti sɛ saa guy we no so antie ni morning show ni bi ahwehwɛ no kora ɔpani kase the richest people in the world they are listening to social media with this boy. Now what you everyone are got to media no na metie nyankopon kula ka kire na bidi se wo pasumdue and is the reality media me hu ye politics na sumdue ne nyina ya hwehwe na morning show so pass a morning show with the views with the interviews there the Don is the only one and you marvelous to marvelous etiefo etiedie me Ghana ya na matra ne akasa sa adwin wo bi trima the Don adwin wo ni trim na nya dia ono asumdua bua no no wonu muo enti se ka so bi nso pa asumdua bua no ye discipline philosophy guy me na me tie na me ka enye ne na minim no acheda dada kumasefo we dia mo na mo se mo pe o asanteman ne Ghana fo the richest sensible guy in the panelists the decent panelists masa asanteman we dia yediem tie wu
for all the information news views interviews what have you Junior
Accra FM. She me manage big things ho. Me fa small things enye hwe. Enu nti na manage Go TV ho no. If we say Go TV there, me nim say abribia omo be kire me bigger and better things. En kan se ba no footballer. So nim did that. Sergio Aguero. Yeah, Prado near the football papa no ebre wo back. Super Sport ye wo Go TV so the live football ebre wo back. And then the rough. Yeah, who the deal na big boys number back in town. Chela Liga ni Syria again.